In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable serial port access in Microsoft Edge in just a few simple steps. This is useful if you want to tighten your browser permissions, improve privacy, or stop websites from requesting access to hardware-connected serial devices. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, go up to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. From there, choose Settings. This will take you into the main Edge settings page, where you can control privacy, permissions, and site access. On the left-hand side, click Privacy, Search, and Services. This section contains a lot of the browser's security and tracking options, so it's the right place to start when you want to manage access settings. Now scroll through the page until you find Site Permissions. Click on that, and Edge will open a page where you can control what websites are allowed to access, including things like camera, microphone, location, and other device permissions. Inside Site Permissions, look for All Permissions. This area shows the full list of available permissions that can be managed in the browser. Scroll down until you find Serial Port. Once you locate it, click into that setting. Here you'll see the toggle for serial port access. To disable it, switch the toggle off. Once that's turned off, websites will no longer be able to request serial port access through Edge unless you change the setting again later. That's all there is to it. You've now disabled serial port access in Edge, which can help keep your browser more secure and reduce unwanted hardware permissions. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.